90% of online business startups fail in their first 120 days. But have you ever wondered why is it so? Well, this is because most people jump into online markets without doing any prior research, and most beginners tend to think that they can make it online because it's simpler and flexible. Hi guys, my name is Shelly, and in this video I am going to tell you a 4-step process to help you start your online business right from the scratch. So yeah, starting an online business could sound very tempting as it gives you the ease to work on your flexible hours. Plus, you can operate from anywhere and you can make your business global, right? But you cannot start a business online or offline for that matter without an action plan. So let's jump on my screen and let me explain it with the help of mind map. Also, please subscribe to the channel and also hit that like button for all of my future video updates. So without wasting time, let's start with the first step, that is decide your business idea. Well, I know this step might sound like a no-brainer, but you will be surprised to know many new entrepreneurs make the mistake of directly jumping to the web designing part instead of giving time to think about their business idea first. So I will suggest you should ask yourself these 3 questions while deciding on your business idea. Firstly, ask yourself, why are you doing this? I mean, what is your business purpose? Keep in mind that every business has a business motive which keeps it going. So set your business motive with the view to continue it in the long run. Secondly, do you have some prior knowledge? Here I am referring to the knowledge about the niche, and I will suggest you that you should pick a niche in which you already have interest or something that is your side hustle or hobby, so that you already have some expertise in the field. And lastly, ask yourself, are you solving a problem? Well, having a niche isn't enough for your business to succeed online. To start a successful online business, you should be solving a real life problem that people are searching about. And make sure to pick a problem to which there are not many results, as this will give you a less competitive market that will increase your chances to have more buyers. And this way you can check the viability of your business idea. So now when you are done having a business idea, it is very important to do a market survey before you get started. So our second step is doing a market survey. Yeah, I know it is an old age formula, but it still works in the modern day market too. And to do a market survey for your online business, I will suggest you few tips. First of all, what you need to do is go and look through your customer reviews, as this will help you figure out what the customer want, what they like and what not. Secondly, I will say set up a landing page. Well, if you are just starting up an online business, at this stage you don't need a full website. Instead, you can have a landing page to tease the launch of your product or service. And I would recommend you to add an email subscription form so you can create a list of your own targeted audience. So now that you have gathered a lot of knowledge of your market, let's talk about the finances. So our third step is funding and success metric. See, it is obvious that before actually starting up your online business, you definitely need funds. You know, online business takes quite less cost to start up as compared to your regular business, right? But still, you have to give an initial investment to make your online business successful. Okay, like marketing cost. To promote your product to a wider audience, you will need to incur a cost of tagging up with affiliates. You may also need to employ some skilled people to look for your email marketing, blog or social media marketing. So yes, you definitely need to take in consideration the finance part to make your business idea viable. Let us move on now. After following the basic steps, it is time for the real deal, which leads to our 4th step and the final step, that is set up your website, landing page or find a marketplace. Okay, so now to actually sell your product or service to customers, you need a website of your own. or you can go to a already existing marketplace. You can choose between two options according to the needs of your business. Okay, and I am here to lay out some pros and cons of both so that you can choose easily. See, when you set up your website, you get the advantage of having your own identity. Like when you search for a product on a website like Amazon, you get a whole list of similar products. It increases the chances of your product getting lost in the crowd. Also, by your own website, you can sell directly to the buyer and have all the control by yourself. But I will suggest, if you are a beginner, you should go to a marketplace, as it gives you the wider audience and saves you the pain from setting everything from scratch, and make your product unique and eye-catching, because marketplaces give you a wider audience but tough competition too. So these were the 4 points on how to start your business online. If you have any questions or suggestions, tell us in the comment section below, please. At last, if you found this video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my Facebook group. Link is mentioned in the description box. Go and join it right away. I look forward to engaging with you in this group. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far. Bye for now. Cheers.